Food is supposed to come from the heart, and it's something that we can do with our hands. Back to the basics. It all comes back to that. I am 𝘧𝘪𝘴𝘄. I am a chef here in Canada. It was definitely my grandmother that gave me the first inspiration in the kitchen. The big spark to step into the outdoors was to get in touch with nature and get in touch with the local farmers that I've been supporting through my restaurants. I want to inspire others to slow down their life, not live so fast. I find it rewarding what we can do with our hands, working against the elements, but also working with the elements. It makes me feel alive, and it really helps my creativity as a chef. Being part of the New Maker Collective sparked a whole new inspiration. I really love having such a solid group of chefs from around the globe together, bringing a new take on champagne, cooking from our backgrounds, really showcasing our culture. Today I am preparing a champagne-inspired dish. First thing is to go over to the river, put a big pot of water on, and get my lobster going. I'm gonna cut up my parsnips, start roasting them over fire. I'll slice up my habanero peppers, put those in the pot with the maple syrup, get my balsamic vinegar, reduce that down, get a little bit of honey in there. Lobster's cooked, I'm gonna crack that, mix my tempura batter, incorporate those together. Then I'll chop up my shallot, my garlic, add that with the butter into a saucepan, bring some color into that, caramelization. Then my favorite part would be popping the bottle of champagne, pure magic. Now that the parsnips are charred, chop those up, throw it in the cream sauce, blitz it, creating a puree. We have this beautiful piece of smoked pork belly, put that over fire, get some char on there, and turn that into a crumb. Take the lobster tail, dip it into our tempura, put that into the frying oil. Get a solid sear on the scallops. Now we're gonna start plating. We're gonna go in with parsnip puree, bacon, scallops, maple reduction, balsamic reduction, crispy kale, and then finish it off with the lobster tempura. Cooking with champagne definitely brings a whole new energy into the kitchen. Champagne is meant to share, create an experience. It just ties all together to create pure magic.